Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to discuss the topic about projections of planes case 4, the plane inclined to both the planes. Now in that I have taken a problem. The problem is a thin rectangular plate of side 50 mm by 25 mm has its shortest side in the HP and inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. Project its front view when its top view is a perfect square of 25 mm side. Okay, now look at here. So this is the shape of a rectangle. What he has given, a rectangle thin plate of side 50 mm by 25 mm. Now this is the length of 50 mm and this is the side of 25 mm. Has a shortest side in the HP. Now this is the shortest side. Okay, this is the shortest side. Now I have taken this as a HP. Is shortest side in the HP like this. Okay, that means the shortest side in the HP means here we need to draw the three positions. Okay, in the three positions, the first one is the rest condition. Now when it is in the rest position, when we are looking from the front view, it looks like a straight line, and while we are looking from the top, it looks like a rectangular plate. Okay, that means the first case we have to draw below the reference line, we have to draw the rectangle, and on the reference line we have to draw the straight line. And coming to the next condition, what he has given, its shortest side in the HP and inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. Now this rectangle is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. When it was inclined 30 degrees, what he has given after that, project its front view when its top view is a perfect square of 25 mm side. Okay, if you have look at this problem, he does not given the direct problem. Okay, it is the indirect problem of inclined to both the planes. Okay, next, what is the second position we have to draw? What you look at here, project its front view when its top view is a perfect square of 25 mm side. That means when you have inclined, when you are looking from the top view, its projection, look at here, this one and this projection, the distance have to be 25 mm and it have to be a perfect square. Okay, and while you are looking from the front view, it looks like a inclined to HP. Okay, after that the square have to be inclined at 30 degrees to vertical plane. Okay, so this is the problem we are going to solve in this today's class. Okay, now first draw the XY reference line. First draw the XY reference line. Okay, now first draw the ideal condition of the first position. What is that first position? It is when we are looking from the top, it was a rectangle, and while we are looking from the front, it was a straight line. Now that side is on, one of its shortest side is on HP. That means this is the shortest side. What is the distance he has given? 25 mm. Now it was a rectangle, 50, 25, 50 like this. Now locate the positions A, B, C, and it is a D. After that, draw the vertical projection lines up to the reference line. Now when we are looking from the front view, it looks like a straight line. Now draw the straight line here. Now this is the point A dash comma B dash. This is the point C dash comma D dash. Now what is the second position he has given? He does not given the directly. Okay, what he has given, project its front view when its top view is a perfect square. Okay, that means in the top view we have to draw the perfect square. Now project the lines horizontally here. Okay, now draw the perfect square here. This is the height of 25 mm. Now here this is 25, 25, like this 25. Look at here. Project its front view when its top view is a perfect square. Now we have to construct here as it has a perfect square. Now look at the point, it has A, B, C and D. Now of 25 mm side. Now when we are looking from the front view, it was an inclined line. Okay, we need to locate that inclined line. Draw the vertical projection lines like this. Draw the vertical projection lines like this. Now take this point as A dash comma B dash. After that, measure the distance of A dash to C dash in the compass. Take A dash as center, cut the line. Okay. Now join this point and A dash B dash. Now this point is going to be C dash comma D dash. Okay. Now here two positions were over. After that, what he has given? Look at here. And inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. Now from this point to take an angle of 30 degrees. Now this angle will be 30 degrees. VP means we have to take below the reference line. Now whatever the square is there here, that square we have to draw on this 30 degrees line. Look at here. I have taken a point, it has A. Now measure the distance of A to D. What will be the distance it is? It is a perfect square. That means the distance it will be 25 mm. Measure the distance of 25 mm. This point will be D. Now join those 2 points. After that, draw perpendicular to the point at distance of 25 mm. After that, take 90 degrees from this point, and from this point 90 degrees. Now this will be AB, CD. What I have did here, whatever the square I have got in this second position, that square I have drawn on this 30 degrees angle. Now from this 30 degrees angle of square, draw the vertical projection lines. Look at here. At each and every point. Now from the point A, next from the point C, and lastly at the point D. Now similarly from this line also draw the horizontal projection lines. Now anyway on the from the points A dash comma B dash we have the reference line. Okay. Now at the point C dash comma D dash draw the horizontal projection line. Now coincide the points. Look at here. This is the point A and A dash. A dash. Now this point will be A dash. Next, look at here. This is the point B, and B it is B dash. Now this was the point B dash. Next, C dash. This is the point C dash. D and D dash. Now this is the point D dash. Now what we have to do after that? We need to join all those points with the help of the scale. Now this is the final view of the given problem. Okay, I hope everyone has understand this problem. So after completion of this problem, we have to give the dimensions here like this. Draw the projection lines. Here the distance it is 50, and place the arrowheads like this. After this, like this, we have to give the dimensions and locate it as 25. Okay, so we have to measure this angle. Anyway, we have given the angle of 30 degrees. Okay, now this is the problem of, this is the diagram of the given problem. Okay, now what I have did here, I have understand the problem. What he has given a thin rectangular plate. Okay, so its shortest distance is on the HP. Okay, now this is the hand of horizontal plate. Its shortest distance means this is 25 and it is 50. I have kept the shortest distance on the HP. This will be the rest position. When I am looking from the top view, it looks like a rectangle. Look at here, the same rectangle I have drawn here. And while I am looking from the front view, it looks like a straight line. I have drawn the straight line. Later that what he has given, project its front view when its top view is a perfect square of 25 mm side. So when we are looking from the top view, it was a perfect square. That means this is 25 and this projection, the distance is 25. So with the 25 mm distance, I have drawn the perfect square. So here also give the dimension it as 25. Now from this point A, draw the vertical projection up to the reference line. From this point D, draw the vertical projection line. After that, measure the distance of A dash to C dash in the compass. Take A dash as center, cut the line. So draw this line. After that, what he has given is shortest distance side in the HP and inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to VP. Now locate one point on this XY reference line, take an angle of 30 degrees and place whatever the square is there on the second position. That second position square have to draw on this 30 degrees line. Okay, now measure the distance of A to D. Place this point, place this A to D distance on this 30 degrees line. After that, draw a square here by taking 90 degrees of 25 mm. Okay, so after that, from this square, draw the vertical projection lines at each and every point, and from this surface also draw the horizontal projection lines and coincide the points. A projection line, A dash projection line, locate this point. Next, B, B dash, C, C dash, D, D dash. After that, join all the points, so you will get the final position which was inclined at both the planes. Okay, so this is the final diagram of this given problem. Okay, so I hope each and everyone has understand this problem. Now please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this. If you are interested, like this video and click on this bell icon. Thank you.